Hi folks, welcome back to another episode of Investment Income for Life. This week has not been a good week. The prices of S-REIT keep plunging down. Just recently, Iran has launched an attack on Israel, and it has been confirmed that Israel has launched missiles back at Iran in retaliation. S-REITs have been sinking like quicksand over these past 4 years, and the rapidly expanding Middle East war will not bring any relief for this year. Hence, I expect 2024 to be another horrible year for S-REITs. Today's focus is on Mapletree Industrial Trust. So let's take a closer look at the recent developments around MIT. There's a news being released that its full results will be released on 25th April 2024, which is the next week itself. As of right now, Mapletree Industrial Trust price is at around $2.18 per unit. It has actually crashed near to a 52 weeks low. So is it a good offer right now that gave us a good opportunity to enter, or is it a value trap? As mentioned earlier, the full year results will be released on 25th April. The strange thing is that the price of MIT has dropped rapidly this week itself compared to $2.30 plus previously. I am not sure whether this is due solely to the tension in the Middle East right now. We have seen Cable DC releasing its results whereby its distributable income has dropped by close to 20% due to high financing costs and also unfavorable hedging for its overseas investment. So there is a possibility that MIT results for the last quarter is not as fantastic as everyone thought, and there may be some news being leaked out, which explain for the rapid decline in its unit price within the week. The other interesting development for MIT is that on 27 March 2024, it has announced the completion of the divestment of 115A and 115B Commonwealth Drive, known as the Tanglin Hot Cluster. This was previously announced on 7 Feb that they will be divesting the Tanglin Hot Cluster at $50.6 million. The book value for this is actually at $46.7 million. So it's a gain of $3.9 million over the book value. And this represents a 8.4% premium over the book value. As of 2nd January, Mapletree Industrial Trust price was at $2.50 per unit. But since then, it has dropped drastically. So based on this price of $2.50 per unit, this is a 12.8% decline in the price since the beginning of the year. If we look at the pricing before COVID, that is like 5 years ago, before 2020, it was hovering around $3 plus. So the billion-dollar question is that is it a good time to buy into Mapletree Industrial Trust at $2.19 per unit as at closing of 19th April 2024? Or will MIT prices decline even further due to the worsening turmoil in the Middle East? My personal thoughts are that every crisis is a good opportunity to buy more units of MIT. The latest NTA of Mapletree Industrial Trust is at $1.85 per unit. So the market value is at 18.3% premium to its NTA. Is normalized annual distribution yield is 6.14% based on the latest quarterly $0.0336 per unit. MIT also has a healthy aggregate leverage ratio of 38.6% as at 31st December 2023, and this is way below my personal 40% red line benchmark. It has been a long time since I last seen Mapletree industrial trust giving a distribution yield of more than 6%. So I decided to take out additional units of MIT today at $2.50 per unit. Saying that, beware of the downside factors as MIT is releasing its results next week. The growth in its rental income may be smaller and lesser than the increased finance expenses. So I am keeping my fingers crossed that the results for MIT remain stable next week. Okay, folks, that's all for today. Have a great week ahead and may you all be well and happy always. Bye.